In this video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of CMake on Ubuntu using a precompiled binary. This method is faster and easier than building it from source. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T. We'll start by creating a new script file. Type nano install _CMake.sh now. Paste the following script inside the editor. After pasting the script, press Ctrl and O, then hit Enter to save it. Now press Ctrl and X to close the editor. Next, we make the script executable. Type chmod +x install _CMake.sh. Now run the script. /install _CMake.sh. The script will update your system, install the needed tools, download the CMake binary, extract it, move it to the right folder, and add it to your system path. I'll leave the script in the video description. You can simply copy it from there and modify it according to your requirements. At the end, it shows the installed CMake version to confirm everything worked. You now have the latest version of CMake installed quickly and cleanly without compiling anything. Thanks for watching.